Hi friends, I'm Sherry in the Wild and I have another unboxing for you from the Weverse shop. It's still in its plastic because I wanted to open it up with you guys. And so if you're new to my channel, which I'm sure you are because I don't have a lot of subs right now, I have another channel called Simply Sherry where I do home organizing. I decided to do this channel more about travel. And then when I got into BTS, I'm like, I just have to show all the stuff that I've been getting. Plus, I just kind of wanted to sprinkle that into my channel. So on this channel, you'll see me unbox stuff, maybe travel related things to actually go to their events or concerts. I'll still do some travel things, travel must-haves, and just things that I use on a daily basis that I think will make your life a lot smoother and easier. And so even when I unbox things like this, it's just kind of my fun way, my fun little corner of the internet. This is my own little magic shop, so welcome. Okay, and they said that this box is shock proof, which I'm not sure really what that means. It's just really hard cardboard, but they were just trying to say, like, if it arrives dented, there's nothing that they can do about that. And here is the cover, which it looks like a vault, right? And it's BTS disc. It's the BTS 7 moments, and inside you'll get something like this. All right, so they're trying to do like, do you guys know the name of this? If you do, put it in the comments below. Pause the video, put the comment below what you think this is. Okay, well, it's a floppy disk. They call it the archive disk. All right, has their names, BTS storage. So I guess it's just kind of a fun, like, memory box. Okay, funny, because that's what, if you were around when floppy disks were available or were like the thing to use, then raise your hand. All right, I guess, yeah, these are little stickers. So I'll probably just keep these. Once in a while, I'll put a sticker here and there. All right, that's cute. Very cute. Put it back in the floppy disk. And floppy disks did come with covers too, because you wanted to protect this part that was showing over here. Okay, 2025 memory system. It's a little tin box. Okay, with a map, right? Lights. Okay, so it opens up like this, and then there's stuff inside. Oh, one digital code can be registered on the Weverse account. I don't know why it keeps getting keeps getting blurry. The code cannot be registered in another account when it is already registered in one account. Okay, I'll have to check that out later. Let's see, because even when I got this, I really wasn't sure what I was getting. So there's a little cushion inside, kind of like a dog tag, right, with their names there. Yeah, so that's the QR code there. Hold on, let me just test it. All right, it's a good thing that I checked. I'll put the picture over here. It unlocks the videos. So so if you notice the time, it's 8:28, 8 minutes 28 seconds for all of them. And I was wondering, is that a special date? August 28. Anyway, I'll spend the time when I go on my vacation tomorrow watching all those videos. I forgot about that. So now I'm excited. I'm already excited, but more excited.
I'm so excited.
Okay, so let's see what's in the rest of this box. Oh, okay. You know, one thing I love about all this stuff, all the concepts, especially that concept photo of J-Hope, and just like, I love themes. My whole life is a theme. Every party I've thrown, every dinner I've had, I've hosted, it's always a theme. So that's the back, and these are the photo cards. Okay, that's my bias. but I'm hanging on by a thread because of those J-Hope concert photos. V? Jimin? J-Hope. Yoongi. Jin? RM. Okay. All right, so got those. They don't fit in the tin. All right, I'll just put that there for now. Okay, instructions. Okay, here's the back. I know there's a lot like on TikTok or Reels, like the quick opening of these things, but on this channel, when I'm going to show you merch or things I have, things I use, things I buy, I like kind of explaining things and going through things with you. So basically, it's a memory system. Oh, cool. So 2022 to 2023, it shows, I assume, their albums, their discography. Oh yeah, that's so cool. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Oh, they're my Jungkook FIFA World Cup. Okay. So under each of them, it will say what they did from 22 to 23. So example, let's do Jin. The astronaut, Jin at the movie premiere behind. The astronaut, Hal Myung-soo shoot sketch, Coldplay concert. Okay, oh, and he was at the Coldplay again. All right, so that's that. And on the, let's see, the other side. Oh, this tells the contents. Digital code, yeah, it's just the contents, instructions, photo book, sticker, envelope. Oh, there's an instructions, okay. Whoa, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, did you see? That's like completely genuine. I did not know it's going to have a whole little book. Why does it call it instructions? Okay. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's go maybe pick a page. Let's go to the first page. Okay, so here's the table of contents, right? Start with RM. Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Min Yoongi. Okay, RM archive. Oh yeah, it's just like, so it's like a little book. And then some more table of contents here, like Indigo, visit to the 2022 BTS exhibition, Wildflower. Oh, some pictures. Okay, I'll show a little bit of each one because I don't know who your bias is. Let me know. Okay, then it goes to Jin. Table of contents. Here's a picture of him. Okay, Yoongi, Suga. Okay, Suga archive. Table of contents. I mean, I guess you can always pause the video to kind of read the table of contents. Wow, look at that picture. Okay, who is next? J-Hope. Okay, table of contents. I mean, I asked this in the other video, but I'm like, when they were 16, 17, 18, 19, I mean, did Big Hit know, or whoever cast them, like, aside from the talent and the X Factor, because like, did the other guys have X Factor? Have an X Factor, the ones who didn't make it? I mean, did they know they would grow up to be so gorgeous? Okay. Oh, look at I call them my everyone, right? My hobby. Okay, let's see who's next. Jimin. Okay. Okay, that's the table of contents. like crazy. Oh, I just can't wait for them to all be together. Please, concert gods, let me get their concert tickets.
Get me the tickets!
Okay, next. Oh. All right, the archive. Pui. I'm taking Korean classes, by the way, small group classes online with Modu Korean. So things make a little bit more sense. You know, I'm still far away. I just started. Whoa. They're going to have to take a whole bunch of all new photos with their buff bodies when they get back. Okay. And then my bias coming up. Jungkook. I mean, this. Let me find let's see, which one would be my, whoa. Okay, let me find a good one. Okay, this is good. All right, and then at the very end, it's OT7, just a few pictures. Oh, yes. Then it has the BTS archive, table of contents, so it just has all 7, just a few pages here. I did want to show you this one though. Okay. And the very back. All right. Oh, I love this. This could totally be displayed. All right. I think that is, yeah, that's everything. I just have to watch. Not have to, but I want to watch. Looking forward to that. Oh, one more thing. So if you bought in the pre-order, right? And that's one thing I noticed, like, there's a lot of pre-order incentives, and it's hard for me to say no to pre-order incentives. But you get this. It's a special gift. It's an unreleased group 3D lenticular. Hey Siri, what does lenticular mean? Shaped like a lentil. Oh, bioconvex. What? Okay. Hey Siri, what does lenticular mean? All definitions, yes. Relating to the lens of the eye. Okay. Oh, okay, now I see why. Okay, so that's the back. Okay, disc 7 moments. So it looks flat. I don't think you could see it here. But if you move it, right? Oh, that's kind of cool. No, it is cool. Oh, it's 3D, JK? Now I just need them 3D like right here. Hey JK, how's your day going? Yes, hold on J-Hope. I'm talking to JK. I'm just kidding. Yes, honey, I'm J-Hope's wife. Oh no, that was the other girl. He said hi honey to her already. Okay. All right. Oh, this is kind of cool. I like that. I might put that by my light stick. All right, guys. Well, let me know in the comments, did you like this unboxing? And if you want me to do more of these. Also, let me know when you became ARMY, and watch my other videos for the freebies, a bunch of freebies that I got from the J-Hope Hope on the Stage concert, the merch that I got, the light stick box that I put on. So hopefully I just can keep showing you some more videos, comments, so I can see what you guys want from this channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.